Hi, I'm Francis Dehane. I'm the principal and owner of D' Design. Welcome to my project here in NoHo. We designed everything from the architecture, the interiors, and all the furniture choices. This apartment is over 8,000 square feet, over 3 floors. There's really a lot to see, so follow me. You step out of the elevator into this large space, which I divided into a living room and a sitting room adjacent to these wall of windows and a fabulous view of New York City to the north. A giant wall of windows can be a challenge. That's why we added these sheer draperies that can close off the whole wall. For the living room, I wanted to make it super comfortable with this very comfortable sofa and 2 Pierre Poulin lounge chairs. In order to make this big space a little bit more intimate, I designed this room divider out of walnut and bronze. The room divider houses 2 TVs back to back. The other side of the room divider is what we call the sitting room. For the table, we chose this stone from Angelo Mangiarotti and the beetle chairs around it. And I designed this fireplace with integrated bookshelves out of concrete, as I really like working with concrete. As the kitchen is in the open, so we wanted to hide as much as possible and keep it super neutral and minimal. I designed this super long island, and this serves both as gathering place and a division of the space. At the same time, the kitchen is very functional, as my client has a family and they also love to throw parties. To connect the 3 floors of the triplex, I designed a staircase with cantilevered stainless steel boxes. And on the wall here is another site-specific installation by David Weisman. And so the tree starts at the bottom of the 6th floor and goes all the way to the bulkhead on the roof. This is the family room. This room is partly media room, hangout room, bar. I designed a super comfortable deep couch for TV watching and hanging out. To frame the artwork, to frame the fireplace, I designed these walnut inserts into the plaster walls. And the rich color of the walnut helps to warm up the space. And in the corner, there is a bar with these beautiful resin-covered brass countertops and a beautiful chandelier by John Procario. On the 8th floor, we have the primary suite with a bedroom, a dressing room, and a bathroom. I designed this space to be an oasis away from the hustle and the bustle with very subdued and earthy tones. The bed is this oversized king-size bed upholstered in this soft French fabric. At the head of the bed is this wallpaper reflecting lots of the tones in the bedroom. In the center of the room is this light sculpture by an artist named Ayala Serfati, and it's one of the pieces I love the most in this apartment. To separate the dressing room from the bedroom, I designed these pocket doors. I chose to work with solid walnut, as I designed the slats in a boat shape, and the richness of the walnut adds warmth to the space. Like in all my projects, I try to bring style, comfort, and functionality together. In this project, I did that by choosing specific furniture, custom designing built-ins, and creating spaces for art. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.